Alright, snow's a flying. We're going to make a one of our favorite cold weather meals here. It's Great Northern beans and ham in the crock pot. So y'all stick around and check out what we're cooking. Alright everybody, we're back in the kitchen here. This is a really super simple recipe. I got a big chunk of ham here. I'm going to dice that up. Got some onion. Going to dice that up. Got my favorite Japanese chef's knife. And if you guys can see here, this is the brand of beans that I use. They're Randall. They're Great Northern beans. They are a navy bean, but this is a blend. So just going to take all that stuff, drop it in a little mini crock pot here, and put it on to cook, and it'll be soup's on here in a few hours. So let me get set up here, and we're going to go ahead and get this stuff chopped up, and here we go. There we have it, guys. We got it all chopped up, getting ready to mix everything together here. So we're going to take the beans. I'm trying to do this one-handed without dropping the jar here. Get all them out of there. All right. Not quite all of them out. There we go. Got 99% of them out. There's that. We're just going to leave the liquid in there. And then we're going to put all the ham in here. And this might overfill this pot a little bit, but we'll be alright. Alright, we got all the ham in there. Let me grab a stirring utensil here. See if we can get this all stirred up, mixed up. That ham down in there. Looks like I should have used a bigger pot. This time I put a little extra, made a little extra ham, a couple little extra ham put in there. You don't have to use ham. You can use smoked neck bones. You can use ham hock. I just, for the ease of doing this, I just use the boneless smoked ham, about a nice big chunk, so I can have some other meals out of it. But alright, that's gonna have to be good enough for right now. And we're going to put this on to cook, and then I'll add the onion in a little bit after it cooks down some. So we'll bring you back when we do that. Alright, y'all. I went ahead and added the beans, went ahead and added the onion to the bean and ham soup. I wish we had smell-o-vision here, because this stuff smells delicious. A little while longer, and we'll have a bowl. So, just wanted to show you all what it looks like while it's cooking. Alright y'all, it's been cooking about 6-7 hours. That's the nice thing about this meal. Everything's basically pre-cooked except for the onion. And you're basically just warming it up. So, we're going to go ahead and get a bowl out of here. The only thing that I don't have is cornbread. Usually I have cornbread with this. And I thought I had some Jiffy cornbread up in the cupboard, and apparently I don't. So we're just going to have a bowl of this, bowl of it just the way it is. So nice thing about it too is this always gets better the second day. So tomorrow, or later on today, this evening when I go to the grocery store. I will get some cornbread and we'll make that up and we'll have cornbread with this. So, alright, let's give this here a try. Get a little bit of everything on the spoon there. Delicious. A little warm, but delicious. Alright, y'all. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and checking out another one of my cooking videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe and ring the bell. Get all the notifications for everything we do here on the channel. And, share this video out if you can. Really appreciate it. As always, if it wasn't for all you all watching these videos, I wouldn't be making them. Love y'all. And take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.